Hey guys, girls, YouTube, sailingmanuel here. Look at that pork chops waiting on me when I got home from work. Alright, about 8 o'clock in the morning, I just got home, and I got me a package. Got like, I can't remember where it was, somewhere on eBay, not eBay, it was Amazon, or something like that. I ordered a rifle and a shotgun Bandoleer. To be honest with a lot of you, I can't tell you where the hell I bought it from. Where was that say? Galente International. Okay. I have no idea. I've never ordered from these folks or whatever. And apparently these are their stuff. Okay, supposed to, I don't have no shotgun shells at the moment, but hopefully it holds 56 of them. Alright, let's see what the, I wanted a rifle one, that's what I was wanting. But then I saw the shotgun there, and I'm planning on getting me a pistol grip shotgun for Christmas, you know. So I gotta have a bandolier to go with it. So let's see what it's like here. Oh yeah. This is the 762 by 54R. Oh, I didn't even tell you how many that one holds. Hold on, that holds. Oh lordy! That holds 80 rounds. Yes, that is a badassery. Oh, and I unboxed it with Smith & Wesson Firefighter. Well, I got it loaded up. 80 rounds. It's two sides. I saw a lot of bandoliers, they just had them on the front side. This is front and back. So let's give it a sling over my shoulder here. Depending what side you want to put it on. Side or this side. I like it, man. I guess you had to do it. You know. Let's see, you know. Gets them out pretty good. If I learn to load my gun. So they come out pretty good. You know. They go in pretty good. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Well, I can. Yeah. It's got the name of the place that makes it, but seems to be strong. Maybe I do some running and gunning. Bring on the zombies.
Howdy folks, this is the Brotherhood Outdoors. Been a long time waiting. I've had this baby in layaway for the longest time, and my goal was to get it out before the end of July, and I have met my goal. What we're going to be looking at is a new feature to my gun collection. It's a gun I've been itemizing for quite some time now. I've been wanting one for a long time. They just a little bit out of my price range that I would be willing to spend for a gun. And that is the M&P 9mm. 9mm was my preference. No one leading me to it. Just cheaper to shoot and more for me. Obviously, since it's new, we're doing an unboxing. This is a unloaded gun. See, and it's got the little chamber guard right there. Some theme features that led me for this one. I got the subcompact because for conceal purposes.